Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Bhavesh Jain, studying in Zeal Polytechnic Pune, first year mechanical branch. According to our learning based activities, today I am going to share you a PowerPoint presentation regarding to our subject applied mechanics. So let's get over the screen.
So let's get started with our project. The topic of project is prepare chart showing real life examples indicating various types of forces. There are 5 members in our group. First is Shivaji, second is Bhavesh, that is me, third is Amit, fourth is Sally, fifth is Shiv Shankar. What is meant by force? So let us see what is meant by force. The push or pull of an object is considered a force. Push and pull come from the objects interacting with one another. In physics, force is defined as the push or pull on an object with the mass that causes it to change its velocity. Force is an external agent capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body. It has a magnitude and a direction. The direction towards which the force is applied is known as the direction of the force, and the application of force is the point where force is applied. The force can be measured using a spring balance. The SI unit of force is Newton, which is denoted by capital N. Types of forces. So there are two types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. In contact forces, there is interactions between objects that touch, and in non-contact forces, they attract or repel even from a distance. As we can see, there is a physical interaction between the bat and the ball in contact forces, and in non-contact forces, as the apple is falling from the tree, there is a force being applied on apple, but there is not physical interaction between them. So types of contact forces are applied force, spring force, drag force, frictional force, normal force. And types of non-contact forces are magnetic force, electric force, and gravitational force. So let us see applications of forces. It is used to move a stationary object or the object at rest. It is used to stop the motion of an object. It can change the size and shape of the object. It can be used to change the direction of motion of object. It provides force of friction between two objects that are in motion or at rest. Various types of force used in mechanics. Normal force. It is a contact interaction force between surfaces. It always acts perpendicular to the surfaces and out of the surface. It comes from the microscopic deformation of molecules modeling a system of springs. As you can see in the picture, there is a perpendicular force applied on that object which is lying on the surface. Frictional force. What is frictional force? Frictional force refers to the force generated by two surfaces that contact and slide against each other. As in the picture we can see, a pushing force is applied on the object and a frictional force is generated at the surfaces where they slide against each other. Applied force. An applied force is a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. As we can see a man pushing a box. Various examples of forces used in day-to-day life. Now we will see the chart. Force acting on a pulley. A pulley is a device that can increase the magnitude of an effort force. With no pulley, the effort force is similar to the load in opposite direction. With a single fixed pulley, the effort force is similar or more due to efficiency loss to the load. Force acting on a ship. The forces acting on a ship may be static or dynamic. The static forces are due to the difference in the weight and buoyancy, which occur throughout the ship. The dynamic forces are caused by the motion of the ship at sea and the action of the wind and wave. These forces create longitudinal stress. Force acting on a car. Forces on a moving car. Rolling resistance. Rolling resistance is the force acting against the tires as they turn. Lift. Lift counters down force and is created as air flows around and below the car, pushing it up. Gravity. Like everything else on our planet, gravity constantly acts on a car to pull the object towards the ground. Turbulent airflow. Force acting on an aeroplane. Thrust is a force that moves an aircraft in the direction of the motion. It is created with a propeller, jet, engine, or rocket. Drag is the force that acts opposite to the direction of motion. It tends to slow an object. Weight is the force caused by gravity. Force acting on a fan. The fan exerts a force on the air molecules and forces them to move towards you. At the same time, the air molecules also exert a force on the fan in the opposite direction. In fact, a similar force is utilized to lift up a helicopter. Here a pair of force is involved. We call it an action-reaction pair. Force acting on a satellite. An orbiting satellite is a projectile in the sense that the only force acting upon an orbiting satellite is the force of gravity. Most Earth orbiting satellites are orbiting at a distance high above the Earth, such that their motion is unaffected by forces of air resistance. Indeed, a satellite is a projectile. Thank you.